feel that cardiac arrest, CPR they press on your chest to beat the heart again. And if you flatline, defibrillators and operating can resurrect you when life is fleeting. With every breath you just cheated death and now got away with it. Better than I ever been, I'm better than a minute with the pen again. I'm venomous, I come up in a pen like a letter, but I had in my element. Then I sent it with a hell of it, the rhetoric's irrelevant. The syllabus development is evident if you look at the evidence. Cause every time I get up on the mic I've been ahead of it. So look at them, I never quit the benefits of editing. I come up to the motherfucking throne, bitch. I go harder than most with this psychosis. Hydro spit, my flow is reversing osmosis. I suppose that these vocals are superhuman like Clark Kent in his bifocals. So die dodos and suck on these Dragon Balls. Bitch, I'm Goku, I spit fire like CO2. That beat produced this heat, so I come with an urgency. When I spit and I heard a beat, and it's burned to the third degree. What occurred to me when I came to the murder scene was emergency surgery in a better hospitals. Getting hospice, you're seen by doctors, then put on oxygen. Run them up while your family's watching, they pull the plug and your heart is done. So feel that cardiac arrest, CPR they press on your chest to beat the heart again. And if you flatline, defibrillators and operating can resurrect you when life is fleeting. With every breath you just cheated death and now got away with it. Rigor mortis is too sadistic and I'm futuristic like Rick and Morty. When I'm sipping liquor and I'm drinking 40s, but the story ends when that kid's aborted. So hasta la vista, bitch, I'm not a teacher, but I can show you how to speak for the bleachers. Cause all I ever did was be competitive and use adrenaline to make the Benjamins. Haters, they be yelling for help again. Soon as the alpha male alchemist coming with a mail intent. Malcolm X when I murder alphabets. Falcon X rocket shit, but I'm dropping a bomb like Saddam in this bitch. Noxious toxins are shocking the metropolis. Call your congressman. See, I just go and go and go. I make dough. I might fuck around and tell her she a hoe. You bitches ain't even close to the level I'm at, and you'll never be that. In fact, I'll be the illest of rap, so I rap and I rap like a rap, and I fast when I slam and I gas and I'm rapping. I'm in a fat minute, but I'm black when it happen. It's not a habit at the antagonist, nagging a big classes. Undergraduate accident, I might crash in the track spinning. A lot of people told me I would never be the main event, so I just do my duty, take my pen and make rap great again. So feel that cardiac arrest, CPR they press on your chest to beat the heart again. And if you flatline, defibrillators and operating can resurrect you when life is fleeting. With every breath you just cheated death and now got away with it.